What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. So right now I'm in my closet. So my closet is in my attic. I transformed this space into a walk-in closet about a year ago, and right now I'm standing once again in an empty closet because I'm gonna get some work done, and I'm just gonna take you guys through this process. And I'm hoping to find the previous video that I filmed with the whole transformation. Hopefully I find it so I can upload it. But yes, let me just show you guys a little tour. When you walk in, this is basically what it looks like. Here I used to put my shoes and some drawers, no, not drawers, but just shelves, and give you guys a whole 360 view. Oh, don't mind this doesn't belong in here, but it's just here for now. And let me go back to the front. So I was planning to redo my closet in December, but since it's already empty and I have to get work done, so I was like, I might as well just do it now and get it over with. As y'all saw in the previous videos, I was busy with my kitchen transformation. I'm not finished with my kitchen transformation, but I'm gonna just put that on hold while I finish while I work on the closet, because it makes more sense. So right now my living room looks like it's crazy. I'm gonna show you guys in a bit, and I don't want to go through this whole process of taking out everything and bringing it downstairs and bringing it back up so it's empty. I'm just gonna do the whole thing and just get it over with. So I'm gonna get ready in a while to go to the store. I need to get paint and paint brushes and all that stuff. Right now it's just white, and honestly when I first did it I was happy with the white, but as time goes on I find myself playing more and more in color, with color, and white kind of seems boring right now. So I have this whole idea of how I want to transform this. I made, you know, a little snippet on Canva with all the stuff that I want. I'll show you guys sometime, some part in the video. I'm gonna take you guys along, of course, and I'm very excited for this transformation. I think it's gonna be, this whole closet is gonna feel like a whole new different space, and I'm excited for that. So let's go back downstairs. I'll show you guys the crazy living room, and then I'll head up the road. The store is not too far from me, thank goodness. Get the stuff that I want so I can start on the painting. So let's head downstairs. So here is a preview of my living room. As I told you guys, upstairs it looks crazy. You can see for yourself, there's stuff everywhere, and that's why I decided to do the closet one time, because I'm not going through this process of bringing everything downstairs to bring them back up. So right now I'm gonna head out to get the stuff that I need, and I'll be back so I can finally start on the process. Don't know if I'm gonna take you guys along. I don't think so, because I just want to be quick in and out. So I'll see you guys in a bit. Oh, I'm finally back. It's like 3 hours later, y'all. I was struggling in the store. I had my mind set on a particular brand of paint. So tell me why this thing is so expensive. I was in the store like, there's no way I'm gonna pay 104 euros for this small little thing of paint. It makes no sense. So I was like trying to figure out a color that is similar to the one that I wanted. I finally found one, thank goodness. But yes, that took about 3 hours. But I'm back and I'm gonna get started on painting. So yeah, let's go. This is the color I picked up, and the goal is to finish painting all of this today. I'm giving you guys a close-up. Hopefully I don't drop this, but this is the color that I chose. I'm kind of second guessing the paint. Not the color though, the color is perfect, but the quality of the paint, yeah, it's very watery, and I noticed that like from the jump. I was like, okay, but when I apply it, it's just, you're not seeing anything. Can you guys see it? Because I'm not really seeing it. Well, maybe a little bit. Yes, I think it's good. Once I add a second layer, it should be good, right? Oh my gosh. Yes, I think once I add a second layer, it's gonna be fine. I'm just gonna continue and see how far I get, but scared me there for a minute. I'm finished for today. I'm tired and I need food, so I'm gonna show you guys what all I did today. I did this side. It still looks white on camera, but trust me, it's not white. I still have hair to go. I'm gonna do that tomorrow. And I did this top shelf. I still need to do the bottom. This is not gonna be, I'm gonna do this a different color, so don't worry about that. I turn off the light so you guys can see a better view of the color. If you compare it to this hasn't painted yet, so if you compare the two, you can see the difference, hopefully. But yeah, I did all this side over here. So I'm going back downstairs, get something to eat, take a shower, and I'm gonna look for that a video of my previous closet transformation. It's somewhere on my hard drive. I just cannot find it, but I'm gonna look for it and edit it and upload it. So if you are seeing this video right now, I probably already uploaded, so check it out. It's day 2 of me remodeling my closet. Yesterday I showed you guys what I did, and so far I had a little bit of progress, so let me show you. I already did 2 coats of paint, and I hope you guys can see it. It's looking very good. I'm gonna start on the dresser, and for the dresser I'll be using this color. It's nice and bright, and by dresser I mean this little thing right here. I know it's a little bright, but you guys have to trust the process. Showing you guys the progress I made so far. This has been painted. Never mind the white, because it's going to be covered with wallpaper. All of this has been painted. This is also going to be covered with wallpaper in the back of the shoe rack. And you guys would remember this piece was open, so it's all closed off now. Today what I'm going to do is start on the wallpaper. I have this wallpaper, and this is going to go behind of here and by the shoe rack. And it's also going to go on the wall. Oh, camera is falling off my hand, you guys. It's also gonna go right here on the wall and over on this side on the wall. And I have these peel and stick wood effect wallpaper that I'm gonna stick on the beams. So this one, this middle, let me stand up this way so you guys can see. This peel and stick wallpaper is gonna go on the beams, which is this one, this middle one, and that one over there. So that's what I'm gonna try and get done today. We made some progress. As you can see, the doors are up. I'm missing a door. Initially, one of these planks right here was supposed to be for this door, but it doesn't fit. The measurements were off, so I think I'm just gonna leave it as it is, and I'm just gonna use those planks, and I'm gonna separate this big shelf here in the middle into two, and I'm also gonna separate this one here into two. But right now, that is the progress I've made so far. The wallpaper is up, and let me just tell you guys, I was warned not to apply the wallpaper on the brick wall because it wasn't gonna stick. So far it's holding up pretty good, and I have a backup plan, so if it decides to start lifting up, I'm just gonna staple it to the wall. You guys saw that I did the beams, and this is it from this view. Right now I'm gonna finish the doors. I know that doesn't look like much right now, but just the process. What I'm gonna do is stain these picture frames that I bought, very inexpensive frames, and I'm gonna use this wood stain to stain them. And once it's dry, I'm gonna use this burlap to basically I'm gonna have it behind the frames. I'm gonna show you guys in a while the whole process. And once that is done, I have these cute doorknobs that I'm gonna install on the doors. Giving you guys an overall empty closet tour. I still have to add the knobs to the doors. I'll do that tomorrow, but I just wanted to give you guys a preview before I start adding my clothes, which I'm gonna do tomorrow also. And this is from the other side, and the wallpaper is holding up really good. Haven't had any problems with it. Yeah, so right here you can really see the true color of the paint and the wallpaper. I found it was a little pinkish a while ago, but this is the true color of the wallpaper. I still have to do the door. I'm planning on adding beadboard wallpaper, and I think I'm gonna stain it, but I'll probably do that sometime during the week. But yes, you guys, I am really in love with how this looks. So you guys, my closet is finally finished. I'm so excited, so happy with how it turned out. And honestly, I did film this reveal twice, but the quality just wasn't good enough. So hopefully this is the third and last time I'm filming this video, but I'm so happy with how it turned out, exactly what I wanted. And I'm just excited to show you guys. I'm not gonna go in details about every little thing because y'all saw how I achieved the style that I wanted. So I'm just gonna do a quick little walkthrough, and yes, let's get into it. This is the entrance, and let me just tell y'all, I have no issues with my wallpaper. That was like a big question mark whether the paper was gonna stay on the wall or it was gonna come off. So far so good. It was a challenge getting it on the brick wall. Y'all saw me struggling and I was a little nervous, but I have no issues, so I'm happy with that. For the door, I used beadboard wallpaper, and I stained it with the same wood stain you guys saw me using for the picture frames, and I really love how it turned out. Right here I just have this decor. I don't remember what this is called, And here I have a picture frame. I find it just goes perfectly with the theme of my closet. Here are my shoes, and if you look closely you can see I have the wallpaper also in the back of the shoes, and this is how it looks. Moving on, this is just my clothes that I have folded and more clothes. Right here I have this nice tray, but I'll get into that in a while. Over here I have more shoes. I really love how the wallpaper is just peeking through on the back of the shelf. And on top of here I just have this fashion book that I found on Amazon, and it's basically just black, only black fashion and black models. So I really love it. And I just have some of my favorite perfumes, my jewelry box. Very basic. I didn't want to have too much stuff on this plank, so it's just very simple. Moving on to the middle of the room, I have this nice gold mirror. Absolutely love it. Down below I have my sunflowers, favorite flowers. They are a little on the dying side right now. They are not as fresh because I've had them for like 2 weeks now, but you guys get the vibe. And this is actually a DIY. This was a black vase that I DIY last minute. The videos are gonna be on my TikTok or my YouTube shorts, so you guys have to stay tuned for that. Right here I have a nice rug. I don't know if you guys remember the previous rug, but it was like cream and black, and I changed it up for this. I find this goes way better than what I have going on right now. So this is the rug. Going back to the front door, on the opposite side I like to call this my mini coat closet. You guys saw that I painted it over. I really love how the doors turned out, y'all. So it was very inexpensive to do, just a old, not that old, but a very affordable picture frame. You just stain it to whatever color you like and add some of that burlap in between, and it's a vibe. I don't know if you remember, I said that I was missing a door because I was supposed to have doors going all the way across, but the measurements were off, so that's why I have this open space. So the first idea was to put this tray that I showed you guys earlier. I really love this. I found this online. It's very rustic, and the idea was to put this in between here, but oh, you guys saw me with my socks. And the idea was to have it in between here, and I could have just slide it in and out, but it doesn't fit. I found these 2 suitcases on Amazon and I fell in love. They did came in a reddish color. I just used the same wood stain I use for the picture frames and stained them, and it just fit perfectly in the space, and I find it just fit. It was meant to be here, and yeah, I really love it. That's it for this video, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Like I said before, I am in love. I really love how this turned out. Comment down below. I want to know your thoughts on this transformation. Turn on your post notification, subscribe if you're not yet subscribed, and then turn on your post notifications so you know whenever I drop a new video. And yes, I'll see you guys in the next one.